Hello everyone, welcome to Rigel. In this video, we will learn about Sensex and Nifty. First of all, you are the new to channel, please subscribe our channel and click bell icon. We keep hearing about the Nifty and Sensex in the newspaper and TV channels every day. To understand it, first need to understand the concept of index. What is an index? Let's say you went to the supermarket for buying vegetables. In order to know vegetables, there are fresh or not, are you going to check each and every vegetable there? No, right? What will you normally do? To check couple of tomato, few brinjal, few carrot, whether the vegetables are fresh or not. In the same way, if you want to know how the stock market is doing, you cannot possibly check each and every stock listed in stock exchange because there are thousands of them. Instead, what you would rather do is to pick sample of stocks that are representative of their respected sectors and see how they are performing. So this sample of stock is called index. Index is comprised of stock selected from all the major sectors such as IT, pharma, automobile and banking, etc. When we are looking at the index, we are essentially looking at the representation of overall market. The concept of index is using every country, Sensex and Nifty in India. In India, there are two main stock exchanges, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE, National Stock Exchange. Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Sensex is the index of the stocks listed on BSE. It is located in Dalal Street, Mumbai. It was established in 1875 and Asia's oldest stock exchange. The BSE is the 8th largest stock exchange with an overall market capitalization in the world with more than rupees 276 lakh crore as of January 2022. It is initially compiled in 1986. Sensex is most probably the most widely recognized index in India. And here is how Sensex has performed since inception. It is very impressive. The total number of companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange is 5,246 as of 8th February 2022. Out of these 5,246 stocks, BSE selects only 30 stocks to form Sensex. In other words, BSE believes that these 30 stocks are the best and greatest of all the listed stocks. So, how do you pick 30 stocks to represent 5,246 companies? Well, for that BSE picked companies based on several criteria such as high market capitalization, high trading frequency, high liquidity, which is shown in average daily trades, and criteria such as daily turnover and of course industry representation. As of now, these 30 companies are part of Sensex. The price of shares is calculated based on the share price of these 30 stocks. So, if the prices of the majority of 30 stocks are going up, Sensex will also go up and we will say the market is up, or the prices of the majority of these 30 stocks are falling, Sensex will also fall and we will say market is down. For example, Sensex is 60,000 today and drops to 59,850 tomorrow. It means the majority of 30 companies' financial condition is not that good and its share price is falling. Next, what is National Stock Exchange, NSE? Nifty. Nifty is the index of National Stock Exchange. It is a leading stock exchange in Mumbai. NSE was established in 1992 as first demutualized electronic exchange in India. It has market capitalization of more than 3.4 trillion US dollars, making it the world's ninth largest stock exchange as of August 2021. Out of the 1641 stocks listed on NSE, the exchange picks only 50 stocks to be part of Nifty. The selection criteria is pretty much the same as that of Sensex. As of today, these 50 stocks are part of Nifty. Remember, all the big companies in India are listed in both the exchanges. Therefore, all the 30 stocks that constitute Sensex are also part of Nifty 50. Now, just because of part of Sensex or Nifty doesn't mean that it will be stay forever. The fact is that is very competitive environment and only the best performing companies get to stay in the index. So by now we understand what is an index, what are Sensex, BSE and Nifty, NSE. Now let's talk about key differences between NSE and BSE. NSE is the biggest stock exchange in India, while BSE is the oldest stock exchange in India. NSE was established in 1992. BSE was established in 1875. Benchmark index for the NSE is Nifty, while for BSE it is Sensex. The number of listed companies is 1641 for NSE and 5246 for BSE. When Sensex or Nifty increases, it shows the economic growth of the country. Very important. For example, during the Indian recession of 2008 and 9, the Sensex fall over 12,000 points, that is around 60%, meaning people were selling the shares and the economic condition of country was not that good. Note, in India, the Sensex and Nifty are both indicators of market movement. If the Sensex or Nifty goes up, it means most of the stocks in India went up during the period. And if the Sensex or Nifty goes down, it means most of the stocks in India fell down. That is all for today. Thank you for listening.